Hello friends, today we are going to review the DJI Mavic Mini 2. So you can see it is the DJI branded. Here you can also see the brand name, and this is DJI Mavic 2. Previous to this drone, there is also a drone named DJI Mini. So these mini category of drones are entry level drone of DJI branded company. So you can see the shape of the drone. The frontal arm of the drone is extended, while the rear arms are rectangular in nature. And here you can see these are the sensors. These sensors basically help the drone uh, and it help the drone during the descending to ground during the landing time, and it avoid the drone to be crashed into the ground. And here you can see this is the camera, and this camera is attached to the drone with a gimbal. So all the video samples that comes out of this drone are very smooth, and you will not feel any jitter in the video. There in the front segment of the drone there is an indicator, and also in the rear part of the drone there is another indicator. At the rear you can see there is a type C port and a SD card port. In this SD card you can put ultra micro SD, having the space of around 128 GB. And in the back side of the drone you can put the battery also. So in the combo pack I got 3 battery, and in the normal pack you will get only 1 battery. So it will be better, in my advice, that you should go for the combo pack. And a single battery will last for around 30 minutes of flying time. So here you can see the drone looks pretty beautiful, and it's also very light, which you can see here. It is written ultra light, 240 gram, and the drone is quite capable also. In terms of flying, it can go up to 500 meters, that is almost like half a kilometer. And you can see these are the frontal ventral. In some of the drones there are some safety features like safety sensors, so which helps in avoiding crash, but in DJI Mini 2 it lacks that frontal sensor. It only has the ventral sensor only. So these vents can help in circulation of the air into the drone, because I have seen during flying this drone sometimes gets very much hot. And this is the power button of the drone. This is the ventral side of the drone. I would like to show you. So here the power button, and here are some indicator light. So if you just click one time you can see the power level. It is showing it is 100% power up. So each indicator is showing up to 25% of power. So that means all the lights are blinking. That means it is charged up to 100%. So here it is all the wings, all the arms that are extended from the drone are actually retractable in nature. So when you will fold all the arms of this drone, it became very compact, and you can basically keep this in your backpack also. And it is very handy in taking it to your travel or your hiking work. And in most of the country, I guess, this is not that much legal complicacy. So you can take this drone as it is below 249 grams. So there is no bearing of in taking this drone to the nature, and in flying there is no restrictions also. So let's talk about the camera. And this camera, you can see it is quite capable camera. It is attached with the gimbal. So while the drone moves in the sport mode, it actually moves very fast, and sometimes the drone feels very very sharp and nifty also. So that time this gimbal comes to very handy, and the video samples that come out of this drone are extremely smooth, and it is capable of recording around 4K 30 frames per second, which is I think more than sufficient for most of the content creator. Here you can see the camera sensor, I guess, is quite big, and only one thing that I think is its downside is actually the capability of this drone to take good quality photo. I think under the low light situation, this drone isn't actually that much of capable in taking good sample, good video and photo sample. I have already tested this drone for around a week, and in my personal observation I have found that drone takes good quality of video and photo in the good light condition, but when the light in the atmosphere comes down and during the dusk or dawn time, it actually doesn't take some good quality of photos or images or video. So all the buyers or probable buyers who are just thinking to buy this drone should take this for note, and while buying for photography or videography, you must know that this drone is capable, and but under certain situations there are some limitations, some restrictions. So I hope you have got a in-depth knowledge about this drone, and for me actually it is very very potential, as I am a content creator, I'm a stock video and photographer. So in that aspect it helps me pretty much, and most of the video or photos that I create, that I shoot actually under the highlight condition, under the good lighting condition. So for me it is not that much a problem, and I think this will not going to be very much problematic for you as well. So this is all about this DJI Mavic 2 drone, and you can see the sticker also. Here it is mentioned. I think it is not getting the shot clearly. Actually, yes, here it comes. Unfold the rear arm downward. So that means this rear arm you can retract it from downward, and the front arm you can retract it to frontwards only. So this is all about the DJI Mavic Mini 2, and if you like this video, you can just share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know anything about this drone, then you can mention those questions or mention those doubts in the comment section also, and I would definitely try to solve your issues or solve your questions if you have any. So I think this video is enough for today, and if I come across through any new observation of this drone, I will definitely going to share it with you. So till then, bye bye, tata, see you, jai hind, dhanyawad.